before anything, these need to be cleaned up. And I'm gonna be using some super clean. I have all the sensors removed. Got the super clean ready. About to soak them down. And have brushes on standby to get at it after. I'll let them soak a few minutes and start scrubbing at them with a brush. Now I'm going to take these out and spray them off. Well, I think they came out pretty good from how they looked before. I'm not even sure how they got as dirty as they did. I bought these used and going to replace them in my Tundra.